Bird populations are declining across North America, with a net loss of nearly 3 billion birds since 1970. Almost 3/4 of aerial insectivore species have declined, including the olive-sided flycatcher. Each year, the olive-sided flycatcher migrates more than 23,000 kilometers over 95 days between its breeding grounds in North America and wintering grounds in Central America. Along the way, they experience multiple threats to their habitat, like land conversion, altered fire regimes, climate change, and declines in insect populations that in turn may negatively impact flycatcher populations. For the last 3 years, our team has worked to understand what habitat conditions support this at-risk species on their breeding grounds in the core territory of Seike Dene Nation. We set out to answer 3 key questions. Which habitat characteristics predict where we find olive-sided flycatchers? How does natural or human-made disturbance affect their presence? What is the relationship between habitat disturbance and insect prey availability? We surveyed 123 sites across the Mesolinka, Ospika, and Injanika watersheds and detected olive-sided flycatchers at just 16 of these sites. We assessed the habitat conditions, insect availability, and landscape scale disturbance at 34 sites, including all 16 where we found olive-sided flycatchers. Unlike other studies of this species' breeding habitat, our results showed no clear relationship between habitat characteristics and where we found olive-sided flycatchers. We also found no relationship between where we found these birds and the local vegetation communities or insect availability. In some cases, sites with olive-sided flycatchers tended to have less human disturbance or more natural disturbance in the surrounding landscape, but these trends were not statistically significant and more research would be needed to understand them. While our study didn't give us the clear answers we were hoping for, it adds to a growing body of research on this species, both locally and across its annual range. Since 2018, our team has completed surveys for olive-sided flycatchers at over 300 locations in north-central British Columbia and found nearly 60 individuals. Our dataset is unique in that many surveys were completed in remote areas far away from roads and human development, which can often be a challenge when surveying for breeding birds. So what's next? More research is needed, and future studies that leverage and expand upon our team's dataset may help improve our understanding of this at-risk species in north-central British Columbia.